Hi, I'm Chad.
Hi, I'm Heidi and this is Charles.
Hi guys.
And today we are going to be showing you Superdrug's Devilishly Daring Halloween look.
I've already prepped Charles's skin with Revolution's SFX White Base Face Paint. Before I go in with the face paint, I'm just going to line the inner eye with Revolution's Pro Gel Liner. So as well as doing the inner eye, you just want to go on top of the lid as well, as close as you can to the lashes. Make this super black, but don't worry if it's a little bit messy because we're going to smudge this out. So now I'm going to use Revolution's SFX Ultimate Face Paint Palette. So I'm going to start with the black, lightly dabbing on the lid. So with the front, I just recommend making it slightly squarer from when the brow begins and just bringing it down the nose a little bit. Come up through the eyebrows and all around the eye and bring it all the way around. Then we'll lift up here and take it through the hairline. I'm just finishing off the other eye. I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush just to kind of press down on the product, or you could always go in with your fingers as well and get really messy with it. When we get underneath the eye, we're going super dark from the liner and then just dragging it kind of down here and there. So now we've finished the black, I'm going to go in with the red from the palette. Just graduate from the black, going into red and creating a really warm, devilishly look. As we're finishing off with the red, dab your finger into it and kind of drag it around really messily. Take the red into the hairline completely and just up into the temples and just a little bit near the front. You can get each side roughly symmetrical, but it's not hugely important that the shapes are exactly the same. I'm going in with Revolution's Fake Blood, mostly along the red areas, just to add a little bit of texture and shine. Now that is our Devilishly Daring look done. Now over to Chad for hair.
Heidi's done an incredible job with the makeup. I'm going to now talk you through the hair, which is super simple and it's going to be super sleek and effective. So I'm going to be using Superdrug styling wax today in Charles's hair. This looks just about keeping it sleek, but also quite structured. When it comes to your hair, you're going to follow your natural parting whichever way that will be. And in this scenario, Charles's is going over to the left. So I'm not going to go against that, I'm going to follow it. That way we're keeping the shape as strong as possible, but also meaning that we're creating something that's going to last all day. Once you've got the product on the back of your hand, you're going to get it off and rub together to spread evenly throughout the hands. And then you're just going to apply it to the hair really simply. A good tip here is once you've applied most of the product, take a step back and just look at what you're doing with your hair. That way you can follow the shape before anything's too set and done. I'm happy with the shape now. All I'm going to do is take a comb and just make sure we really get that smoother effect that we want to complement the makeup. I'm going to finish it with the Superdrug Firm Hold Hairspray. Spray it all over just to secure the shape that you've made and also to give it that little bit more shine. So I'm really happy with the hair. I'm going to let you go to the wardrobe now and you can get changed.
And that is our Devilishly Daring look done. For more tutorials like these, head to Superdrug's YouTube channel.